Unit 2. What Friends Are For.
Hey Laura, I've just got a really exciting email.
What about?
It's from Rapman's agent. He's going to play a show in town next month, and they're inviting someone from the station to go and interview him. They're also throwing in a ticket to the show.
Wow. I suppose you're going to take that story then.
Well, of course I'd love to, but it's on the 16th. That's my mum's birthday, and we always go out for dinner somewhere.
I'll do it.
Oh, all right. Are you a fan?
Not especially, but this is too big a story to pass up on. Imagine how many listeners we'll get for this one.
OK then, it's yours.
Hi Laura, you look pretty pleased with yourself.
As a matter of fact, I am. Amy's just given me the best news story.
Yeah? So what is it?
Can you keep a secret?
I'll try.
Rapman's in town, and I've got a free ticket to his show. And I'm going to interview him. Amy asked me, and I said yes.
Rapman? How could you, Laura?
What? Why?
Well, Nick's his biggest fan. He's got all his CDs, posters all over his wall.
That's news to me.
Well, it's true. I'm sure he'll be going to the show, but if he knew you were going to meet the man himself, he'd be totally envious.
But he's bound to find out. I'm doing the interview for the radio. I need to talk to him.
Yes, and the sooner the better. Wow, who's the secret admirer then?
What?
The flowers. Who gave you the flowers?
Oh, don't be silly. They're from Nick, to say thank you.
For letting him do the Rapman interview?
That's right. Did you hear the show? Nick did a much better job of it than I would have.
Yeah, it was great. And Laura, it was cool of you to let him do it.
Well, that's what friends are for.